Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share, and like. This is BMW, I believe 5 Series, or any BMW that using this kind of battery in the trunk. Some of them the battery on that side. But as you remember, this car here, after the accident, in here, in this back, in this place here, it have a fuse or kind of ignited circuit with the airbag sense signal here to disengage the power between here, the battery terminal, and the power that's going back all the way into that section as you see here, and then from there it will go back to the car. Okay, when the accident happened, that cable cut and there will be no way to get power to the car to start or crank. A lot of function get disabled, and this is available in Mercedes-Benz, available in Audi, Volkswagen, available in some BMW 7 Series by the fuel pump. It disabled the fuel pump on the right side pillar. So the functionality is for safety. Like for example, they need to disable as much as possible so that any accident, the car cannot keep running or rolling or doing some crazy stuff. I went and when you have this thing here and the car doesn't want to start, some people open this place and try to push the cable all the way inside here. They clean it and it will work. Also, you're gonna see this wire here is the wire for the airbag sensor that send the signal to do the to disengage or to cut off the circuit between the terminal and the cable. The only thing that they do is when this happens, if you do not, for the emergency, what I did is you can put, you see this is how it is. This is how when you buy it. See the fuse box. This one. This is the original one. When you buy it, you're gonna take the fuse box and put it like this. This is how it works. If you wanna take it out, you're gonna release the screw and take it out like this. In case after the accident, there will be no power going here. So what I did last time, as I showed you, I buy this one, I buy this cable, and I put it here from the battery, and the other one all the way there, just for emergency for the car to move. Now, I get another one. This piece here is a little bit, like it's not expensive, but that's the price for it, because the material, the work they put on it, and the quality, that is the value for it. Some people say, you know what, why we are buying some items for $10-20 and some from the dealer is $500-600. Believe me, the quality matter, okay, of those cars, of those product. Now, I bought one from aftermarket. It is in Amazon. The prices is low different, but when I cut the wire here to see this is from new one, and this one here, there is not a big difference. Even this is a little bit more, but it's okay for now. Now also this one here, I bought it. It looked like it's not for this car because the cable is short. The cable is not reach all the way there. So what I did is I cut it here and I solder it, and then we're gonna see. It is better for you to get the original, please, original cable. Believe me, even if it's a little bit pricey, but you have peace of mind when you drive on the road. So now this is how you change it, but don't forget to put the sensor here to eliminate the airbag. Just push it inside here, and here we will not get that code for airbag or battery safety sensor, which is a call it battery safety sensor, or the meaning something like that. I'm not sure. Now I put this one here, I put that one there. What I'm gonna do is I will go back here, and before you do all this thing, disconnect your power so you don't have get a spark. You can disconnect it from the hold on. I did this one before, but so let's go here. Okay, here I'm gonna try to put this one here first. Put it correctly, because if you don't put it good, let me get the other screw. Adjustable. I'm gonna put the video and tight it. Okay, I did this one. I did not tie the cable because okay, I'm gonna tie this one completely, and then we're gonna diagnose the car. I'm gonna move this one here. Not too much till you break it. This one I'm gonna leave it here, take it out and in, and it also we have some connector there. Okay, I'm just gonna put it a little bit. That's too much, but yes, my brother, one second.